They are racing for the opening race of the afternoon, the round of plate. Fairly one break from the gates. And as they settle down to race, it's Urban Warrior on the far side, takes up the running from Benfica in second place. Very close behind Polar Glow. Further back there is Rage of Angels. Running towards the 2000 meter marker, Urban Warrior by about a length and a half in front of Benfica. A gap of about a length. Further back there is Polar Glow. Further back there is Rage of Angels. The 4-horse field running down the back stretch, and as they pass the 1800 meter marker, Urban Warrior by about 3.5 length in front of Benfica. A gap of about 2 lengths for the back there is Rage of Angels, and Polar Glow will suddenly stop galloping at the 1800 meter marker. Passing the 1600 meter marker, Urban Warrior by about 3.5 length in front of Benfica. A gap of about length and a half behind comes Rage of Angels. Past the 1400 meter marker, Urban Warrior still leads the way by about 2 in front of Benfica. A length for the back there is Rage of Angels. Leaving the back stretch, and as they come down towards the 1200 meter marker, Urban Warrior still about 2.5 length in front of Benfica in second place as they pass the 1200. A gap of about 3 lengths for the back there is Rage of Angels. Passing the 1000 meter marker, there is no appreciable change in position as Urban Warrior still about 2 in front of Benfica. A gap of about 2.5 lengths for the back there is Polar Rage of Angels. Past the 800 meter marker, Urban Warrior by about a length in front of Benfica. A gap of about 3 lengths for the back there is Rage of Angels. Running towards the straight, they come with Urban Warrior, still the leader from Benfica. Then comes Rage of Angels as they come into the home straight. Into the straight, it's Urban Warrior towards the inside wheels. Now the leader from Benfica in the center. Rage of Angels is coming up on the outside. Passing the 400 meter marker, now it's Rage of Angels on the outside who has gone into the lead from Urban Warrior in second place. Then comes Benfica with about 200 meters more to run there. Rage of Angels is about 2 in front of Urban Warrior and Benfica. Rage of Angels easily wins the race from Urban Warrior, followed there by Benfica.